I am beginning to feel that 24 hours is no longer enough to accomplish the tasks for the day. And I believe that so many people also feel the same way. But what if I tell you that there is a way to reclaim your time in the busy days that we have using AI, even without having to write any line of code? In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify your work day, spark new level of productivity, and align your daily grind with a greater sense of purpose. Using simple AI tools anyone can master. Let's dive in. Let's be truthful to ourselves. Most of our time are eaten up by repetitive and low-value tasks. Emails, summaries, scheduling, writing reports, and the likes. Tools like ChatGPT can instantly take those things off your plate. That's not just a time saver, that's a life realigner, because you get more time to pray, study, and do what have greater value to your life. Have you ever sit in the front of a blank page and you are feeling stuck? Whether you are writing proposal, social media caption, or whatever you are trying to conceptualize, AI can give you a creative head start. This does not replace your voice. It simply amplifies your clarity. And that clarity creates confidence. One of my favorite way of using AI is daily planning infused with purpose. This is a kind of productivity that honors both your time and your soul. Here is the truth. AI is just a tool, but in the hand of a purpose-driven learner, it becomes a vessel of transformation. When we merge spiritual growth with data-driven productivity, we don't just get more done, we live more intentionally. So how will you use AI to create more room for what matters to you? If this helped you, drop a comment on your favorite takeaway or share an AI tool that gets you excited. Subscribe more for insight on living purposefully in a tech-driven world. This is Inside Vessel. Until next time, live upgraded.